Okay. The customer will be here soon. I'll meet you at the door. Mr. Lee, the samples here have been proofed now. See when you can make an appointment.
Can I borrow your wireless charger? Really?
This is what the customer wants. Please take a look. In addition, customers want to learn more about our company.
All right. Our product categories are mainly divided into consumer electronics, electric motors, smart home, and automotive electronics applications. Our electronic product customer base is mostly dominated by the production of high-end products such as mobile phones, earphones, wireless charging, smartware, and smart homes. Therefore, the requirements for magnet products are focused on small size, high precision, and strength layer. In electrical and automotive electronics applications, we are required to ensure the high performance of the magnet, the precise design of the magnetic circuit, and the tight fit of the assembly. We are the leader in the field of aluminum shed product segmentation. The technology in the production and processing of special-shaped products is in addition, our Ningbo Jinconn and East China sales network can also serve customers across the country more comprehensively.
Jinconn has first-class engineering and technical personnel and experimental software and hardware equipment. According to customer requirements, understand the customer's product usage, environment, the demand for magnet size and actual direction, applying electromagnetic simulation software. It is operated by senior magnetic circuit design experts. Escort customers' products in customer product research and development system. Early intervention in the field of magnetic design, using dynamic and static simulation technology to quickly verify the scheme. Complete key design parameters and optimization, helping customers shorten development cycles and costs. Deliver true business value to customers.
We partnered with China Rare Earth Group. A raw material processing plant was established in Central Enterprises as our raw material suppliers. Ensures the quality of the raw materials, the stability of supply, let the price be significant in the market. Advantages: we ensure the qualification and stability of raw materials through magnetic property detectors. Guarantee the quality requirements of customers' final products.
We have multi-wire cutting equipment. There are more than 700 sets of equipment such as internal circle slicer, automatic punching and casing machine, spark cutting machine, square round, centerless, grinding, and special-shaped grinding machine. The monthly production capacity can reach more than 100 million tablets. In-depth cooperation with us. Electroplating Factory is a processing enterprise specializing in surface treatment of aluminum and iron shed materials. There are 2 fully automatic nickel, copper, and nickel production lines. A fully automatic galvanizing production line, research and development of a test production line in high-end precious metal treatment processes such as epoxy spraying, gold plating, silver plating, palladium plating, etc. We can provide our customers.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.